Welcome, beloved. We are gathered here in the presence of God to join together Kyle and Millie in holy matrimony. Let us remember that God has established marriage.
A river to a valley, an ocean to a stone. The time it takes, the edge.
I've come to learn that Kyle needs these kind of people in his life to get him out of the house and have some fun and get him out of that brain of his sometimes. And Millie, you are that person, and I am so thankful.
We're better than before. My love will not change.
To both of you, my prayer is just simple. Let God Almighty be the center of your marriage. For like my friend Aristotle believed, that God is pure and perfect. As saying goes, it might come in different ways, and still love is love. Let God leads and both of you follows. Congratulations again. God bless.
Kyle, are you here to have Millie as your wedded wife to live together in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, and cherish her, forsaking all others as long as you both shall live? Will you?
I will.
Millie, are you here to have Kyle as your wedded husband to live together in the holy state of matrimony? Are you? And will you love him, comfort him, honor and cherish him, forsaking all others as long as you both shall live? Will you?
I will.
The authority vested in me as the minister of the gospel, I do now pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may kiss your bride.
Baby girl. You know, I'm always here, regardless of rhyme and reason. I'm always perennially and always will be here for you. I can't wait to see the future for both of you, and I can't wait to be part of that. Love you.
Thanks for taking care of Kyle. I see that you love him the way that I always have. I see that you see Kyle's specialness. I wish you two the best. Let's all raise up a drink for Kyle and Millie to a wonderful next chapter and many more to come. I love you guys.
My love.